The 1960 Chrysler New Yorker is priced at $21,200. This rare two-door hardtop sport coupe is one of only 2,835 produced and features a powerful 413 engine delivering 350 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. It is equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, a 6-way power seat, a golden tone radio with front and rear speakers, a power antenna, a rear window defroster, factory tinted glass, a deck lid, rear bumper guards, and an interior light package. The car is finished in a two-tone white body with a red roof and a red interior. Originally from Arizona, this New Yorker has been meticulously maintained, remaining reliable and enjoyable for long-distance cruising. A comprehensive 70-piece Chrysler literature collection is included for the dedicated collector. The 1955 Studebaker President is listed at $29,950. This elegant two-tone blue and white sedan is powered by the original Passmaster 259 V8, paired with an automatic transmission. The interior remains all original, featuring striped upholstery in excellent condition. The polished chrome trim, period-correct white wall tires, and immaculate presentation highlight the attention to detail in this well-preserved classic. All gauges are functional, making this a fully operational and show-ready example of Studebaker's premium model. Keep your passion for classic cars alive. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more legendary rides. The 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe is priced at $28,000. This two-door coupe, finished in red with a matching interior, is powered by a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, paired with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. It has a clean California title and current registration. While it runs great, it does have some floor rust, though not severe for its age. The seller is open to trades.
It was meant to be. Look at that.
The 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 is listed at $38,500. This stunning convertible has 71,000 miles and was recently acquired from a local Oldsmobile collection. It features a striking red and white two-tone paint job, a white soft top, and gleaming chrome trim. The matching red and white interior remains in excellent condition. Powered by a 324 cubic inch 202 horsepower rocket V8 and an automatic transmission, it also includes power steering, power brakes, a power seat, a radio, a power antenna, seat belts, and wide white wall radial tires. Recently serviced, it runs and drives great. The 1960 Pontiac Laurentian is offered at $7,600. This Canadian classic is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It features new tires and a dual exhaust system. While the rear bumper requires re-chroming, the car presents well as a stylish and drivable vintage Pontiac. The 1960 Chevrolet Impala is priced at $30,000. This two-door hardtop is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a Power Glide automatic transmission. It includes power front disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, a new floor pan, new carpet, a new 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor, and a new exhaust system. The paint is older, with bubbling on the rockers and rear fender wells, as well as some small rust spots in the trunk. The car can be purchased with either 18 and 20-inch wheels or 15-inch American wheels. It runs and drives well, but like any classic, requires some attention. The 1940 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is listed at $30,000. This business coupe is a rust-free Nevada car featuring a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. It has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system. The car runs and drives excellently and features Fenton headers with a split manifold and dual exhaust. Additional highlights include a clean interior with chromed garnish trim, BF Goodrich tires, hubcaps with beauty rings, a Chevrolet spinning steering wheel, a Chevrolet trunk pull-down, bumper guards, teardrop fender skirts, a Fulton sun visor, and an original working radio. The 1937 Ford Model 78 is priced at $20,000. This flatback coupe has been in the same ownership for over 50 years and remains in excellent condition. It features a 239 flathead V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission. The paint shines beautifully, and the chrome is in excellent shape. The interior has been redone and is very comfortable. The car runs and drives smoothly, handles well, and is easy to brake. It is ready for car shows or weekend cruising. The 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed at $24,000. This limited production sports sedan is powered by a 348 turbo thrust V8. The engine and body numbers match. It features a 3-speed turbo glide automatic transmission, front disc brakes, power steering, an electric windshield wiper, and power windows. The exterior is finished in orange and black, while the completely restored interior features new upholstery, door panels, a dashboard, and carpets. The car rides on 15-inch Michelin tires and includes dual exhaust, an AM/FM radio, illuminated front fender mirrors, and telescopic rear antennas. The 1960 Pontiac Catalina is priced at $10,400. This classic features a 305 cubic inch V8 and is in good condition. Recent updates include a new battery, new spark plugs, an oil change, and a coolant flush. The only issue noted is a carburetor that does not hold fuel properly and may require replacement. The 1956 Plymouth Plaza is listed at $12,500. This two-door club sedan underwent a full frame-off restoration in 2004 and has been driven fewer than 3,000 miles since. It features a 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, producing over 400 horsepower, paired with a fully built TH350 transmission with a shift kit. It has a Holley carburetor, an Edelbrock intake, and a Mopar 8 3/4 inch rear end with 290 gearing. The factory canary yellow paint remains in good condition with minor chips. The interior is in near-perfect condition with factory blue upholstery. Mechanically, the front and rear suspension have been recently rebuilt, and the car has power brakes. It is described as starting immediately, shifting smoothly, and sounding powerful with its dual exhaust. The 1939 Plymouth Deluxe is priced at $9,700. This project car runs and drives, but does not shift properly. It features a GM driveline with a 250 inline-6 engine and has had numerous new parts installed. The body is described as very solid, and the seller has invested significantly into the car. The transmission has been repaired, and the car is currently being painted. The 1935 Ford truck is listed at $12,900. This 2-ton dually runs on a 6-volt battery and gasoline. It was last driven in March 2023 and recently received an oil change along with all new fluids. This classic workhorse is a solid candidate for restoration or preservation. The 1947 Willys CJ2A is priced at $17,700. This beautifully restored Jeep features a freshly rebuilt Go Devil engine and drivetrain. It is finished in pearl white with red wheels and is equipped with new tires, a 4x4 system, and a 3-speed manual transmission. The interior retains its original gauges and includes new canvas seats. This is a high-quality restoration that stays true to the Jeep's original design.
Today second September, Mark, I make a video today, 2nd September.
The 1929 Ford Model A is available for $12,500. This Canadian market Model A retains its original interior and has had an exterior repaint. It comes with extra parts, a window, and a manual. The car runs well and has been regularly maintained. It shows 83,976 kilometers and has had only 2 owners. The 1952 Land Rover Series 1 is listed at $24,300. This 80-inch wheelbase Land Rover was originally sold in British Columbia. It features a 2.0-liter engine, a hardtop and soft top, parabolic front leaf springs, a 12-volt alternator conversion, and a winch. It remains a rare and well-preserved example of an early Land Rover. The 1930 Ford Model A pickup is priced at $27,500. This truck underwent a full build by a father and son, featuring a completely rebuilt 4-cylinder engine with 460 miles since completion. It includes a Mustang 2 front end, an automatic transmission, hydraulic brakes, a new battery and starter, a new EDFI carburetor, and new seats. With a rust-free body and a clean Tennessee title, this truck is described as a fun, attention-grabbing driver. The 1946 Plymouth Special Deluxe is listed at $12,500. This classic features a 318 V8 engine, an automatic transmission, hydraulic brakes, power steering, and a power trunk release. All lights, the gas gauge, and the temperature gauge function properly, and the speedometer works. It runs, drives, and stops well, making it ready for cruising. Trades are considered for vehicles from 1970 and older, excluding boats, campers, and motorcycles. The 1958 Ford F-100 is available for $12,500. This fleet-side, short-bed pickup features a big back window and an original V8 engine that starts and runs well. It has a 3-speed manual floor shift, upgraded power front disc brakes, a working heater, and a hidden Apple CarPlay radio. Recent updates include a new fuel sending unit, kingpins, and front alignment. The truck has a clear title and is only available for viewing on weekends. The 1940 Ford Deluxe is priced at $35,000. This coupe is powered by a 350 Chevrolet engine with an aluminum radiator and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a GM rear end, a Nova front clip with power steering, a tilt steering wheel, manual brakes, heat, and air conditioning. It runs and drives great and is available for trade. The 1926 Ford Model T is listed at $12,500. This classic comes with a well-documented history dating back to the 50s. The previous owner purchased it in '64, with records of the build and prior ownership. It has period-correct upgrades, including brakes, a 2-speed rear axle, wood spoke wheels, and an aluminum head. The car is in excellent condition and is a well-preserved example of Ford's iconic Model T. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket is priced at $15,500. This project car was built by the seller's father and is 90% complete. It features a 327 Chevy small block engine from a '67 Corvette, a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a custom-built frame, and a fiberglass body. The beige leather interior is included, along with 2 tubs of extra parts and records of the build. The car has been registered, and the title is expected to arrive soon.